got two brothers on the show tonight, both Poonawala's, and as it happens, both are Sanghis now. One Shehzad to Sanghi Thai, and I'll explain why Tehseen has been called a Sanghi. But before I do that, can I please request my brother Shehzad not to say vendetta, vendetta, vendetta all the time? It sounds suspiciously like a TMC Rajya Sabha MP who's half Dutch, half Bengali, Vendatta. But you showed the clip in the beginning, Navika, of very unusual of a foreign president, not so much meddling, but half-heartedly, jocularly asking a leader of our country whether she wants to be a leader, and Didi saying, well, the people will decide. It's a bit like, somebody asking you, Navika, would you like to be the CEO of Times Now? You will say the viewers will decide. In which case you the CEO, Navika. But I want to come back to what Tehseen said, because that was quite, I would say, if not funny, absurd. Tehseen said any one of the 28 leaders could be the Prime Minister. He said Rahul Gandhi could be the Prime Minister, केजरीवाल could be the Prime Minister, ममता, मतलब तहसीन खाना खाने के बाद मजाक करने की आदत हो गई है क्या आपकी? हाथ बोला खा लिया करो. But this is the same Congress that 2 days ago, Navika, has accused the same TMC of killing press freedom in Bengal. I am talking of the whimsical arrest of Mr. Bagchi, who's an ABP, and I commend Times Now, Navika, for taking up this case of Mr. Bagchi, where the press in Bengal is absolutely scared. But it was Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary who said that there is no press freedom in Bengal. Same guy had said there is no democracy in Bengal. Ye alliance bana rakhi hai. But it is the same Congress that has accused Pinarayi Vijayan of perpetrating a 100 crore camera scam in Kerala. Ye inki alliance hai. When he says Kejriwal can be the Prime Minister, it is the same Tehseen who accuses Kejriwal and Mr. Maan in Punjab of fomenting sectarianism through Khalistani elements and supporting them. This is the same Congress that accuses JDU in Bihar of Srijan scam. It is the same Congress that accuses in Jharkhand the Chief Minister of having horse trading. So when you yourself are not united, Tehseen, and I have saved the best for the last, it is the same Congress who accused 2 days ago, Navika, of Tehseen of being a Sanghi. You know why? Because really my heart goes out to my brother Tehseen. He was the one who actually stood up and said these shameless dynasts, he was talking about the DMK people, shameless dynasts are calling Sanatana Dharma abuses, and I will not stand up for this. So once Tehseen has to clarify by dynasts, whom did he mean? Did he mean DMK dynasts or Congress dynasts? But that I'm sure he'll clarify. But Tehseen was called a Sanghi by the same Congress. So the same Congress is opposing, I have counted at least 5 leaders, 5 parties of India Alliance, of corruption, of nepotism, of dynasty, of killing press, of killing democracy, of promoting sectarianism. How on earth can any one of those be Prime Minister? Tehseen, please tell me, please.
Should I answer?
Yes, please.
The Congress will be the single largest party in the INDI alliance. Anyone who's Prime Minister will have to follow by the rules of the Constitution and rule of law, and the Congress will ensure it, whether it's Mamta ji, whether it's Kejriwal ji, whether it's Rahul ji, etc. Number 2, who was anyone, and this is the Congress official stand, because KC Venugopal also clarified, abuses Sanatan Dharma will not be accepted. You cannot abuse any religion.
Not say that.
That is very clear.
Sorry, where did you hear that?
He said freedom of speech. He said it's each one's freedom of speech. Just 1 second, one line, Anand, one line.
5 seconds.
KC Venugopal said that it is each party's freedom of speech to say what they want. They did not condemn it. Priyank
and he
supported it.
Sarv Dharm Sambhav. He also said Sarv Dharm
Sambhav or Hindu ka eradication. Wow. Badhiya.
Now 5 seconds.
Anand Ranganathan.
Yeah, just 5 seconds to my brother Tehseen. When he says anybody insulting the Sanatan Dharma will not be tolerated, I ask him a very simple question. The DMK has made an analogy with malaria, with dengue, with mosquitoes. Raja DMK has made analogy and said Sanatan Dharma is like HIV, and he has just now said Hinduism is a menace. How will you not tolerate this? Just give me one thing that you're going to do, one step. Are you going to break up the alliance? Tell me.
It is terrible things to say about anybody. It's morally wrong, it's reprehensible, and you cannot, and for example, Anand, you cannot say this about anyone, any religion, anywhere in the world, including freedom. So the INDI alliance is going to make it, has already made it absolutely clear, such statements will not be tolerated.
Well, they discussed the statement by Mr. M.K. Stalin and said nothing on it. So Tehseen Poonawalla, we are as hopeful as you are, but it didn't happen today. Let's leave it at that. But before I go across to Abbas Haider of the Samajwadi Party, I just want to play a short soundbite of Mr. Ajay Rai, the UP chief of the Congress party, because I also want to demonstrate to you how close and coordinated the India alliance is, and I'm only picking up what their own leaders say, and these are not some tidbit leaders. He's the UP Congress chief. Ajay Rai, listen in.
जैसे बार बार अखिलेश यादव जी का बयान आया था कि कांग्रेस के लोग बड़ा मन करें, हम लोगों ने बड़ा मन करके उनका समर्थन किया, सहयोग किया। कई जिले के कार्यकर्ता दिन रात आकर मेहनत किए और घोसी में इंडिया गठबंधन का चुनाव जीता। लेकिन यही उपचुनाव उत्तराखंड में बागेश्वर में हुआ, वहां समाजवादी पार्टी ने कांग्रेस प्रत्याशी के खिलाफ अपना प्रत्याशी उतारा। तो ये बड़ा मन कांग्रेस दिखा रही है, कांग्रेस सबको लेकर चल रही है। अब ये उनकी सोच है, वो हमारे साथ रहेंगे या क्या करेंगे।
अब्बास हैदर जी, किस